Hey, Eric Sider here, and it's a cold, frosty morning. Definitely temperature dipped below freezing. So we're gonna check out how things are going and put out some frost protection. So we'll see how effective that was. All right, let's get into it. Woo! All right, chilly morning. Definitely got below freezing. Let's see, frost is just starting to, still a little crispy. We had some definitely some frosty straw. Got some frosty comfrey. Did some protection last night. All right, let's see how our banana did. All right, looking pretty good. Used a couple tomato cages to make this little impromptu teepee. All right, well, there we go. Some peas here. I'm gonna give it a little bit, see what, hey, look at that. Frost blanket did the job, that's good. Good to see. Not sure how cold that will protect, but you can see how frosty the leaves are that were left out. That's frozenness. Let's see how our potatoes are looking. Oh, I can't even tell. Oh, they got a not so good. Got a little bit of frost there. Yeah, maybe probably. I think is too close to the plant, so probably need to get some hoops. If these guys survive their defrosting, I'm gonna have to get some hoops to keep the material off the plants. Yeah, you can see the ones that weren't touching aren't frosty. I mean, it's borderline, but see how we go. Some pepper plants. Let's go see how those are. It's quite interesting, the extreme microclimates even within a small suburban block. What gets frosty and what doesn't. Obviously, the cold air is going to be on the lowest point, so... Oh, I didn't quite get that guy in there. This whole blanket is frosty. Looks like we've done the job. Some salvage pepper plants. All right, it's all looking promising. Some frosty society garlic. One of my favorite edge plants, and really nice, tasty, oniony, garlicky leaves. Nice flowers also. All right, and then all my potted fruit trees I moved into the shed last night, so they should be good to go. Persimmons. What's up, chickens? You guys all survived the night in your cozy coop. No steam from the compost. I think the heat's well and truly out of that, but we're on to week 4 right now anyway. And, ooh, this is a feijoa. It's pretty hardy, so it's the one I left out. Seems all good. Still see some frosty freezing on the hose. Actually, passion fruit holding its own. Everything else is pretty much done, so this will just be a reboot come springtime. All right, so there we go. Frost blankets working pretty well right now. I don't know how how cold they'll be effective, but I'm definitely going to need to get some support to, it's obvious the elevating the material off the plant is makes a big difference. All right, as always, shirts in the store. I got sweatshirts now with select designs, so check those out. And if you're in need of consultation or design, all the links will be below for that. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time.